My freaking highlighter came off because of my freaking mask. CEO of Parking Lot Pictures.
The shit we risk for our fans.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is my roommate.
What's up? It's your favorite Asian sugar baby.
Today is a pretty boring day for us, so we're just gonna go shopping to make the day a little bit more exciting. Yeah, we're probably gonna go eat some Ichido, which is like ramen and stuff, because we're craving it. I'm fucking putting that in. And then we're probably gonna take some pictures for the gram. So yeah, that's about it. Let's go. I need to put a jacket on. Oh, also this is the fit. Just wearing my Air Forces with some white socks, and then I'm wearing this white skirt from Princess Polly, and then this knit sweater jacket thing, it's from Kiss the Rainbow, and then I'm wearing this white turtleneck that I just got from Zaffle or something. Sunnies are from Amazon, purse is from Zara. So yeah, that is the fit for today.
You guys are gonna be following in.
Oh yes, this jacket is it. Oh my god, your favorite fashion icon, Sandy Headass. Guys, we're at the restaurant. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Probably ramen. Got the meal secured, y'all.
We already finished like our freaking, what is it?
Calamari. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am your favorite Asian sugar baby. Guys, we finished eating. Time to go do some harass shit. Gang, you know what you eat? I don't know what we're gonna do, but you guys will just see. Like I said, today we're just bored, so we got out the house. My freaking highlighter came off because of my freaking mask. Well, we're at Best Buy, but I low-key need a new tripod. It's like acting weird. Whoa. It's like all white over there, blue over here.
And they don't actually have for us.
Always carry powder. So, you know, I'll be getting oily. Especially up here. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we're at the top of this parking lot. We're gonna take pictures, you know, parking lot queens. CEO of Parking Lot Pictures. But so I just wanted to, you know, talk to you guys, have a conversation, because me and Char are planning to move to another state by the end of our lease. But yeah, we're planning to move out of state, and we're still, I don't know, kind of in the process of that. But it's because like we just don't see ourselves living in Minnesota for another year. I feel like, you know, moving into an apartment, that was such a huge blessing and whatnot, but I would rather live in a state where it's always sunny. Today is one of the sunniest days in a fat minute.
Yeah, it's literally so beautiful today.
Yeah, we're probably gonna move to another state where it's more sunny all the time, and we're thinking Texas because personally, like, I've always wanted to buy my first house or a house in Texas in general, just because property is like so cheap. I was thinking about living in Texas for a year with Char, obviously, because where I go, she goes.
I'm just going there for the experience, y'all.
Yeah, and so we're planning to move there, but it's still in like the works. It's not official, but we're thinking about moving to Texas for a year, and then I'll buy a house in Texas the year after. But who knows? For me, I hold myself to really high standards. Like, I always try to work hard and like achieve things as soon as I can. Like, that's just something I always do, and so I want to buy a house as soon as I can, as young as I am, because it's just an achievement that I've always wanted to, you know, what is it? Achievement I've always wanted to achieve. That's my plans for this next few years.
Yeah, I'm just going for the experience. Like, I'm just going there to tell my kids, like, hey, I lived in Texas for like a year. So we're just waiting to see how like financially it plays out next year too, because I could definitely get a place on my own by next year. Going to California is like a whole different thing. Like, their real estate is crazy.
You would just kind of just wait it out, and then when you're ready, you move to Cali.
I'm gonna wait it out just because my boyfriend's also planning to go to college soon, and we're just waiting on which state he goes to. So he better not go to anywhere down, never eat on the East Coast.
Never eat soggy waffles. But yeah, like, we just don't see ourselves living on the East Coast, but anywhere in the South or
the
East
West.
or West. Anywhere in the South south or west is where we're thinking. I feel like I'm probably gonna end up staying in Texas. Yeah, and then also my boyfriend lives in Texas, so it's like if we move to Cali, it's like obviously cost of living there is a lot higher because apartments are more expensive, so we're paying a lot every day, right? And then for me, like I like to go to Texas a lot to see my man, and I'm also gonna be seeing my family more, so it's like I don't want to live somewhere so expensive and then just travel all the time. Like it's just not worth my money. Whereas if I lived in Texas, it's cheaper, and then if I'm traveling, like I'm traveling when I need to, so it's not like so expensive to just be living there every day.
Yeah, for me it's like I want everything that's there.
Plus the food in Houston, immaculate. Yeah, we're just waiting for the sun to go down.
Still got like 2 hours.
Yeah, for us, we don't like to take pictures in direct sunlight. Obviously it's just too bright, washes us out, so we're waiting for the sun to kind of go down. And plus, like I really want my pictures to have a really pretty view, but I might just take some right now just to see how it looks like. If I like them, then that's that. Yeah, like for me, this winter has been like, even though we lived alone, it was nice living alone, it's been kind of depressing because it's just not sunny here the way we want it to be. And so obviously seasonal depression is a thing. I'm not saying I have it, but like I can see how it's something, and so I don't want to fall into that. And I just like, I'm just scared of that, so I don't see myself living in a dark state ever again.
I felt that.
It's a blessing that Minnesota has all the seasons, but for us, all we need is summer. We don't need all the seasons. So,
summer and fall, and that's it.
All I care about is summer.
I don't mind fall time. It's gonna get really hot in the summertime, but I like it when it's a little bit cooler in the summertime, but not so cold where like we can't wear fucking whatever we want.
True that, true that. Oh yeah, and then if we're gonna go apartment hunting, not apartment, we keep saying apartment.
Is it apartment or house
hunting? We're gonna go house hunting because we plan to rent a house. If we're gonna go move to another state, we obviously gotta look at where we're gonna live first. So we're planning to make a trip out of Texas in a few months to look at houses and then move in a few months after that. But I'm excited.
Me too. I'm ready to get out of the state.
We're trying to milk Minnesota as much as we can.
When people tell us like they want to move to Minnesota, I just be there like, you're crazy.
Like the apartments here are just not as nice as like everywhere else, and the houses are nicer everywhere else. In my opinion, you just have to be filthy rich to get a nice ass house in Minnesota. And like, are we filthy rich? No. So we obviously like living here is just,
in my opinion, there's just not as many opportunities as I want.
Yeah. And like if we move to another state, that's literally a whole new beginning. But I'm so ready for that.
Me too.
Like I just
we knew we were never going to stay here.
Yeah, we always knew we were not going to stay in Minnesota for the rest of our life.
I'm never moving back.
Fuck, we look like going backwards. We only go forward. You guys are hearing us talk about this. Take this as your sign to manifest the shit you want to manifest, because we're too young and we have way too many opportunities to just let them pass. The heck. I feel like it's like our generation, we're pretty lucky. We have so much technology and stuff, and like our parents, they all have, you know, their jobs and whatnot. Like they don't really need us to go to college and like financially support them. That's why I feel like we have so much opportunity to just do whatever we want, because we don't have, at least my situation and Char's situation, like we don't have obligation, you know, to stay in Minnesota or help our family. It's like our family's okay. It's just up to us to like achieve whatever we want to achieve. So
yeah, and our parents are willing to support us if we go far too, so
pretty lucky. And that's on chasing your dreams. I don't hate it here, but I just hate it here in the winter. You know?
I hate it here. I feel like we're always so bored. Yeah. There's never anything to look forward to, you know what I mean? And that's what sucks, like not being able to look forward to things other than like, oh, moving out by yourself, and then it's like, what the fuck do we do after?
We always are doing crazy ass shit, because for us, we need to always do something to feel productive. And like when we're in a state where we feel like we can't do anything anymore, because obviously like I already got my car, I already got the apartment, what else more is there to achieve? It's just like, yeah, we need to move somewhere else to keep shit going. It's like I get so bored easily. I need to always have something new, like a new challenge every day, and so not having that challenge is freaking dead. We're crazy.
We're not crazy, bitch. We're not crazy, we're psycho. Just kidding.
Fucking dead. That's the tea for today.
What's up, y'all? Welcome. We are in Minneapolis.
I'm really afraid that this isn't off.
It's so sandy.
What's up, y'all? So we might take some pictures.
Clearly, you guys know who's the risk taker here.
The shit we risk for our spam.
Guys, look how pretty it is. I'm talking about the view.
So we decided to go to Macy's. I just want to look at jewelry. Me and Char love doing that. It's like one of the things we do to pass time, and plus it also motivates us. This guy's so pretty today though. Guys, we're obsessed. I love jewelry shopping. We're just, you know, looking around, see if we want to get anything. It's almost my birthday. Yeah, I don't know, but it's my birthday month. So my birthday's on March 25th. Aries gang. Should I get something for myself? Just kidding.
What's up, guys? You guys cannot be your sugar baby Asian. Wait, what are they doing? Cannot be an Asian sugar baby without your friends. What's up? Hi, Mimi.
My mom got a new palm ski. So cute. Bon Jovi, I miss you.
Okay.
And back to playing.
Ow, he scratched the shit out of my face.
Oh, my baby. My baby Rhaegar. If you guys watch Game of Thrones, you understand.
Rhaegar.
They're best friends.
He's so cute when he jumps.
So cute.
He's so cute.
He's only like 10 weeks old. Hi guys, I'm home now. I'm FaceTiming my boyfriend. Say hi.
What did you...
I miss you.
I miss you.
Alright guys, I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna be making boiled chicken with tofu, green cilantro, and green onion. And all you add is salt. So yeah, it's like a Hmong recipe. That's all I know how to make. There's also lemongrass in here. Don't mind our dishes, they're drying. Chicken. Alright, I'm gonna be making Hmong pepper, but the more modern whitewash version because I don't have one of those Xoxo makers, bruh. Like grounders. I'm not making a lot of pepper because it's just me and Char. So for Hmong pepper, all you need is to throw in the pepper. I'm gonna use a blender. I'm gonna be using these Thai red chilies. Alright, I'm gonna be using 5 peppers. And then I'm gonna be using 3 of these to just throw inside the chicken. Throw these peppers into the stew. Go ahead and throw in the tofu. And then a little bit of green cilantro. I'm gonna throw in some chili powder, just so it has a little color. I'm a cooking channel. Alright, we've got my blender. We've got the chili peppers. Gonna add in a little bit of salt. I like to add in a little bit of sugar. Throw in some green cilantro. I have no green onions, so. This is how this is looking. Very delicious, if I may say so myself. I'm gonna throw in some lemon. I like to put lemon in my pepper, but a lot of people like to use lime. I've just always liked the lemon flavor more. I'm doing this to take the seeds out. Damn, lemons are some tough cookies. I'm gonna throw in some fish sauce. I love fish sauce, so. I don't like it when the cilantro is extremely chopped up, so this is good enough for me. And this is how Hmong pepper looks like. Delicious. We've got my rice, we've got the meal, and we got the pepper, which guys, I tasted it. It tastes so freaking good. I'm obsessed with it. Yum, yum, yum.
I'm that bitch who likes to eat the peppers and all the vegetables in it.
I only eat the vegetables and the juice, but I don't like to put the peppers in it. That tofu is smack. I freaking love tofu. This is so good. What we needed.
Some comfort food.
This pepper is kind of spicy.
I like it.
My lips are burning. It's like burning my tongue, the stew.
Dude, your whole face is red. Not on camera, but in person.
Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. Literally just vlogged around the, not around the house, around, wait no. I just vlogged about my day, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I'm getting a tattoo really soon here, so I'm so excited for you guys to see that because I am gonna be filming me getting the tattoo. Anyways, I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. Mwah.